Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial, and in this video tutorial we'll be looking into paidera surveys, and specifically we'll be looking into ways of making money, or rather how to make money using external surveys and Pollfish surveys in paidera survey website. So first things first, you log into your account. Log into your account. I'm sorry for the internet. My internet speed is a bit low right now, but it's gonna be done in a few. So you just wait, and here you are. So as I always say, if you don't have an account, you just click the create an account icon. They are very easy steps. I mean, very easy. If you don't have one, you just create it. If you have one, well and good. Let's continue. You sign into your account. Just wait for it. Then you ensure you key in your email address and your password correct, so that you can be directed into your page. And here we are. Yes. So as I had said, I will be looking into external surveys, and if you want to access the external surveys icon, you come to this these three small dashes that are located in the upper left. You click on it, and then you drag down to surveys. Here you'll see external surveys. You just click on it and open. Here we are. So as you can see, here we are told that all offer payouts are set in cents, and it will be converted to US dollars in your balance. The rates are $100 equals to $1 US, 50 cents equals to 0.5 cents. I mean, so according to my profile, so I get to know that these surveys are offered based on your profile. Based on your profile, you'll be given various surveys. So for me here, I've been given a survey that best matches my profile, and if I want to continue with it, I just click on it, and then as you can see here, I've been told this survey is matching your profile. You'll be asked some questions to complete your profile, and will be redirected to the survey right away. So if you want to take the survey, you just click continue. And you'll be redirected. But as for now, I won't be taking the survey. I just want to show you how to take. So that is about the external surveys. And then there is another bit about the Pollfish surveys. So Pollfish surveys, if you want to undertake Pollfish surveys, there is this pink tick. It's a tick mark. It's always located in the left, the lower part, on the right, the lower right part. There is this mark. If you want to take Pollfish surveys, you just click on it, and then there is a window that will be opened. So first things first, you are told that you unlock the surveys by completing your profile. So if you want to take the Pollfish surveys, which they are normally good, they're also a means of boosting your wallet and boosting your rewards. If you want to take, just click on get started. So depending on the survey, there are questions that will be asked. For example, in this survey, I've been asked about my data. What data do we collect and process? We collect these are what the terms of this survey. So you have options, you either to agree or not to agree. If I'm to take this survey, I'll just click on I agree, and then I'll be redirected to another page. Here we have some questions based on the survey. We have questions that are asked. So these questions, they're questions that are given so that they can help you. They can help the ones who are conducting the survey to know if you qualify or you don't qualify for the survey. So here are a few questions. If you want to proceed with this, you just read those. They're simple questions, they're verification questions. So here, as you can see the instructions here, carefully read all the questions and consider all the options before submitting the correct answers. If you fail to pass the quality control while completing the survey will be terminated immediately and you will be screened out. So these questions are called a quality control survey. It's about the quality control surveys, about the Pollfish surveys. So about Pollfish surveys, you really have to be very careful about these quality control surveys. So I think that marks the because I'll not take the survey at this time. I'll just click on this close button, and then do you still want to leave? Yes, because I won't carry it. And then there are options. If the Pollfish detected that you wanted to leave the survey, then they will ask you, tell us what happened. The survey page had an error, ask for personal information, survey didn't work on my device. So because this was just but a video tutorial, I would not answer anything here, so I just close it. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, and that marks the end of our video tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you learned something. Thank you very much, and all the best when doing your survey.